Welcome to the New York Boat Show. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to take you through the 380 Realm Boston Whaler. This boat is powered by quad 350 Mercury Verados. As we enter the boat, we are greeted by the summer kitchen with an electric grill, refrigeration system, a wet bar, and a sink. This beautiful cockpit does have room for a table, flip up, flip down seat, and also additional seating forward. The helm seat does swivel around. This boat has triple Raymarine GPS chart plotter, fish finder, and radar. Down below does sleep 2. There's a beautiful head, a lot of storage, and some nice amenities. There's also a nice passenger seat to the port side. As we walk through up to the bow, plenty of storage, fun for entertaining, hanging out, sunbathing. This boat has an anchor windlass. This table does drop down with the filler pad on top to create an enormous sun pad. For more information on the 380 Realm Boston Whaler, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you and see you on the water.